Testimony time. And I will tell the story of how I overcame. I could call it Bejulamodu. It was any testimony that with your first trust. I could call it Bejulamodu.
Listen to my testimony. If woman your testimony will shock your enemy. You will shock them. You go shock them.
When you buy a fuel, that's no mama. Where I see them, the terrible kerosene. Bonnie, about it, talk about the assembly. On a lake, where all come up. The lamb that you were, on a lake, on a lake, on a lake, oh. On a lake, on a lake.
You can be late and be latest. I don't know the fun I can't do what I'm looking for. Correct, I can never give Gabani. And then I can't as we call no. You are a moving train. You are unstoppable. No man can stop you getting to your destination. You have done more than enough. Oh lo 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 lo, oh lo lo lo.
Only we won't do the chimo. Do the chimo. Do the chimo.
If you don't know, oh lo 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 lo, oh lo lo lo.
The air that you breathe, also don't live with you now.
Sister, Opuru Nira Urabani went to Teludo. See ya on your level.
On your level, on your level, on your level, on your level, chupa level. It is testimony time. This your marriage, you got one.
It's time to show them your appointment letter. In the name of Jesus. Testify.
I will testify.
I will testify.
You will testify.
I will testify.
I could call it.